Eagle Rock Campground, run by the Corps of Engineers, sits right on the shores of Table Rock Lake's White River Arm in Missouri. This campground has 51 sites, all of which can be reserved ahead of time. Many of the campsites come with electric hookups and plenty of space for tents or RVs, while modern bathrooms provide hot showers and flush toilets for convenience. Drinking water is available throughout the park, and there's a dump station that makes it easy for RV travelers to take care of their waste. Families and groups will enjoy the extra features. There's a playground for kids, a volleyball court, and a designated swimming beach that's perfect during the summer. For those who love time on the water, a boat ramp and full-service marina are a big plus, making it easy to launch your own boat or rent one for a day on the lake. Picnic tables and grills are found throughout the campground, making it easy to enjoy meals outdoors. Hello and welcome to our channel. This campground is a Corps of Engineers park, and it's a nice park. This is the gatehouse here as we come in, and we're going to show you the fees that it is to camp here. Now they have real nice day use area, and yeah, it's pretty good. The campsite fees, basic site 16, water and electric 25. However, there's only one water and electric site in this campground. That's site number 18, and so happened to be right across the street from the restrooms and shower house. Anyway, as we go into the park there on the left-hand side, that's the dump station and trash area there. We'll show you that in just a little bit on the way out. Yeah, going into the entrance of the campground, we're going to be passing sites 1 through 11 on the right-hand side. These are all sites with no hookups at all. They're dry camping sites, tent sites, but no water, nothing like that. Still pretty nice. Road seems to be really nice getting into the campground. Not bad at all. No potholes, nothing like that. And off to the right there again, that's sites 8 through 11, I think is what it said. I'm not real sure. We're going to make a left up here and go back around a loop. And this will be by the playground and a restroom and shower house up here. We'll be showing you that in just a little bit here. Playground looks really nice. Kids look like they'd have a good time on it. Lots of big trees in this campground. Like I said, off to the right there is the restrooms and showers. We're just going to drive by them right now. We'll come back and take a look at the inside just a little bit. This loop we're going to be taking now is going to take us back to the entrance of the campground with campsites all along the area there. And I must say, if I were camping here, which I probably won't because it's not very big rig friendly if you ask me. They're awful narrow sites there. But if I did happen to come through, I'd come on this area up here. They're, like I said, they're just electric sites normally up here. There's no water and electric or sewer sites except for that one, number 18. And we're back around to the entrance to the entrance shack where they check you in. And they're really nice folks there. If they don't make reservations right there, you'll have to make the phone call to get in here. Now we're going to zoom right on back through here, and we're going to get up and go the other directions by the restrooms and shower houses. Like I said, these roads right here are pretty nice getting in here. But we're going to show you some that's gonna be a little bit, I'm gonna say, sketchy if you have a big rig, big motor home. But you'll see. Now we went to the left up here a while ago just as we come through. Now we're gonna bear off to the right to another loop of the campground. And this is gonna take us down to the lake. To the right there is a volleyball court. We'll show you more of that. We're just going to drive through right now and we'll come back and show you through some more pictures of this area. Coming down, that's Highway 86 right there, as you see to the left there, and that's Lake Table Rock Lake. And there is a boat launch right on the other end here. We'll go by that in a second. Now across the street, there's another section to this campground. However, we didn't do a video on it. I will tell you though, we drove through and it ain't nothing but tight in there. And they charge to launch your boats or watercraft over there because it's not affiliated with the Corps of Engineers. So that's just something you might need to know. Off to the left here, we have really nice day use area here. People come out and picnic, have a good time. Look at the views they have from their area there. No RV hookups or tent sites on this side, just day use. Pretty well maintained, don't you think? Very pretty, but tell you what, I wouldn't want to bring my rig down here. These, I don't think this video is doing justice as far as the narrowness of the roads. Pretty narrow. And there's a boat launch right here off to your left here, and you'll see a trailer off to the right for parking. We came in after Labor Day, right before they closed, so this is pretty sparse as far as campers go. But pretty nice and clean area down there. Beautiful lake. As we come up here, we're gonna go to the right here. And as you can see, this is where some campers can go on the left-hand side. A little better. Oh, there's a campsite on the right-hand side to pull through. Very pretty, nice area. Nice tent site there to the right-hand side there. Everything looks well maintained and pretty clean. I'm gonna go on up this road here and show you some more of the park. So we're going to stop at the restrooms and showers here. This is the only one that they have in this side of the campground. And so let us show you the inside of it and see what you think. Debbie's going to look at the inside of the women's restrooms right now for you. Very clean, very nice. Couldn't ask for anything better in a Corps of Engineer park. I've seen some pretty bad ones, but this one here, this one is really nice. The men's restroom was about the same. It was really clean, really nice also. Some campsites, these are tent sites off to the right-hand side there. Down there's a couple more tent sites. You couldn't take an RV down there and park it. Another tent site. Not bad, they're elevated and a really nice cove here. Nice and treed area, shady for one of those summer days. If you're in a tent, yeah, these are nice. Really secluded site here. Can't remember the site number, I had to find that out. Well, I'll post it. So yeah, if you want to be out here and you're not one to have any neighbors in the tent area, this is the place to be, folks. This is really, really nice for tenting people. Some more views of the lake campsites. No services in that one. Dry camping there also. I would say you'd have to fill your water tank up when you come in here. If you're going to camp for 2 or 3 days, you'll need your water tank filled, so you'll have water on board. Except for that one site, number 18. Did I mention that? It has full hookups. I'm sorry, it only has water and electric. Nice site right there, and you can see right on the lake there. Really, really nice. Pretty and clean. Tent site. You can fish from the shoreline here. Really easy access. Now there's a back inside, electric back inside on 26, I think, 23, I believe it was. Really pretty nice. Little shot of the marina. And this is the marina at the campground here. Like I said, there's another marina across 86. And this is no charge to launch because it's part of the campground. Good place to go fishing, folks. I was talking to someone here and they said this is a highly day use area here. Lots and lots of folks use it for day use and come out fishing. I can see why. Yeah, Eagle Rock Campground here in Missouri, at Eagle Rock, Missouri, is really a real nice campground. We think we would like to come here if our rig wasn't so big. We wouldn't bring our motorhome through here. It's just too narrow for us. So thanks for watching. Below in the comments section, tell us what you think about Eagle Rock Campground. We'd love to hear from you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and to share this video with your friends. Hope you all have a great day today, and may the good Lord take a liking to you. See you on our next video.